central and civil government contracts nationwide. Solar Systems 365 and FBS Intelligent Engineering are collaborating on a renewable energy initiative aimed at supporting central and civil government in reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions through the deployment of solar photovoltaic (PV) systems. Solar Systems 365 Limited is a UK-based renewable energy provider specialising in the design, installation and maintenance of solar, PV and battery storage systems for residential, commercial and industrial clients. The company focuses on delivering tailored solar solutions that help organisations generate clean electricity, reduce reliance on traditional power sources and achieve long-term cost savings. Solar Systems 365 works with distribution network operators across the UK and holds recognised industry certifications, ensuring installations meet high safety and performance standards. The company has experience delivering large-scale commercial solar projects that improve energy efficiency and reduce operational carbon footprints. FBS Intelligent Engineering Limited is a mechanical and electrical engineering contractor providing design, installation, servicing and maintenance services across a wide range of building and infrastructure sectors. With experience in major infrastructure and public sector projects, the company supports the full life cycle of building engineering systems, including energy-efficient mechanical and electrical solutions. Its expertise in building services engineering positions it to support the integration of renewable energy technologies within complex or high-security environments, such as defence facilities. Through this joint project, Solar Systems 365 is expected to lead the solar PV design and installation, ensuring systems are optimised for site-specific energy demands and operational requirements. FBS Intelligent Engineering will provide supporting electrical and building engineering services, including system integration, infrastructure upgrades, and ongoing technical support to ensure safe and efficient operation. The overall objective of the project is to support central and civil government contracts nationwide in lowering energy consumption, reducing energy costs, and contributing to UK decarbonisation targets by introducing on-site renewable energy generation through solar PV. Defence facilities can reduce reliance on grid-supplied electricity, enhance energy resilience, and improve sustainability performance.